Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to reactivate your inactive listings caused by the high pricing error. In the first part of the video, I'll explain how to fix this issue using Bookz Pro. In the second part, I'll show you a method you can apply regardless of the tool you're using. To start, from the Bookz Pro dashboard, click the high-priced shortcut button. Alternatively, you can go to the Stock Manager page, click Filters, select Tags, and apply the High Pricing Error filter. Either way, you'll see the same results. At its core, the solution is simple. You need to lower your price to a level where Amazon will reactivate the product. To determine the right price, you can use two methods. Method 1. Look at the prices of other active sellers for the same product. If an item is active on Amazon, its current price falls within Amazon's allowed price limits. Simply right-click on any active price and select Set Max. Bookz Pro will automatically lower your price to the selected amount, and you won't need to take any additional action on Amazon. Method 2. More time-consuming but more precise. Click on the Inventory button on the left-hand menu in Bookz Pro. If you're not using Bookz Pro, you can search for the product on Amazon's Manage All Inventory page. Once you locate the item, click the three dots on the right and select Edit Listing. On the next screen, click Required Info on the left side. If your price is too high, you'll see a red warning message. Now start lowering your price. Click outside the field and wait a few seconds to see if the warning disappears. In this example, I first set the price to $60 and clicked away. The red warning still appeared, meaning the price was still too high. Then I lowered it to $40 and tried again. The warning disappeared. This means the maximum allowed price is between $40 and $60. I tested $50, still got the error. So now we know the allowed price is between $40 and $50. After repeating this process a few more times, I found that $49.50 was the maximum price Amazon would accept for this product. You can safely use any price below this threshold. If you're not using a repricer, you can simply save the changes directly on Amazon. If you're using a repricer, you should also update the price in your repricing tool to avoid it reverting back. Saving changes on Amazon is optional but harmless. In this example, I entered the new maximum price directly into the max price field in Bookz Pro. That's it! Bookz Pro will automatically lower the price, and your product will become active again within a few hours. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. See you in the next one.